Let's learn Sweet Trouble. It's choreographed by Luna VALERIOTI and Guillaume Richard. It is a 16 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 2 and 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Sweet Trouble. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right, and as you step forward, you're going to sweep your left from back to front. Cross your left over your right, and as you cross over, you're going to kick your right foot out to the right side with a straight leg. Cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, and drag your right foot into your left. We're now going to do a releve lock, so you're going to bring your right foot in and behind your left, and you're going to come up on the balls of both feet and slightly lift your left foot forward. As you do this, your right hand is going to come up, your left hand is going to come out to the side, you're going to look to the left and snap. So we're up on the ball of our right foot, left foot is slightly lifted. You're now going to recover your weight onto your left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, sweeping your left from back to front. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and you can slightly lean to the right using this as a prep. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down onto our left foot to face 12 o'clock, and then make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, Section 2, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a full turn sweep. So we're going to start by making a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to start your sweep, and it's going to make a half turn over your left shoulder as you sweep your right foot around, turning on your left foot to come to 6 o'clock, and then you're going to press your right foot forward. You're going to recover your weight back onto your left, step your right foot to the right side, drag your left toe into your right, touch your left behind your right. You're going to snap your fingers to the right, looking over your right shoulder. We're now going to do pas de ball to the left and the right. So we're going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to rock your right foot behind your left and recover onto your left foot. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. Step forward with your left, and we're going to slightly angle our body to the left using our contra motion to give us some leverage. We're going to do a full spiral, turning over our right shoulder, slightly hooking that right foot around, turning on your left foot, coming back to 6 o'clock. At this point, you'll be ready to start the dance over again with your step sweep. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped back. You're going to do your full turn sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step sweep. So it's step sweep, cross kick, cross side behind drag, releve lock, recover quarter sweep, cross side behind side, quarter half full turn sweep with your press, recover side drag, touch behind and snap, and your pas de ball step, and your full turn spiral, ready to start over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, let's talk about the tag. The tag is exactly the same on walls 2 and 4. So you'll be dancing the back wall each time, coming to the front, and then you're going to add on this tag. Weight will be on your left. We would have just done our full spiral to come back to 12 o'clock. Our tag starts with stepping forward with our right, so you're going to step forward with your right. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our right foot, and as we step forward with our right, you're going to hit your left knee up and you're going to come up on the ball of your right foot, and you're going to push both hands out to the side. So you're coming up with your push, and then you're going to step forward with your left. You're going to slightly crumble into this step, bringing your hands into your body. You're going to recover your weight back onto your right, and as you do that, you're going to do a full 2-count sweep. You want to make this nice and slow, so you're sweeping around from front to back. From here, we're going to do a half turn sailor step with a touch. So you're going to make your quarter turn, stepping your left foot behind your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left foot to the side, and then touch your right next to your left. When you're doing this, there is heavy beats that happen every single time you do the tag, so you really want to make this part nice and slow so that you hit those beats dun, 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 every single time we do the tag. And that is the whole tag. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your half pivot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and ready to start over again. You'll do that same tag on the end of wall 4. You'll dance the 6 o'clock wall, coming to the front, add on your tag, and then continue on from there. After wall 4, you have no more tags. So let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. The first tag will do steps. The second tag will do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags into their next walls. Weight is on your left, starting with your step sweep. So it's step sweep, cross kick, cross head behind drag, releve long, recover quarter sweep, cross side behind side, quarter half full sweep into a press, recover side drag, touch behind and snap, pas de vol step, full spiral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, do your tag, step, half pivot, come up and push out to the side of your hitch, come down, sweep into a half sailor step, touch start over step, sweep, cross kick, cross side behind drag, releve lock, recover quarter sweep, cross side behind side, quarter half full sweep into a press, recover side drag, touch behind and snap, side rock back recover, side rock back recover, step, full spiral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, do your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and step sweep, cross kick, cross side behind drag, releve lock, recover quarter sweep, cross side behind side, quarter half full turn sweep into a press, recover side drag, touch behind and snap, pas de vol step, full spiral, and then you will continue on from there until the song ends where you do your spiral to the front. So now that you've run a good tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Sweet Treble. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
She knows me, 'cause I've known her my whole life. Stranger to cold feet, yeah, she's always down for the ride. Swear she might kill me, but at least I'll die with a smile. Never been so free. It's when I have her by my side. She's gonna be the taste of me. I call her trouble. She knows exactly what she's doing to me. Oh, I'm in trouble. The moment I met her, oh, I could not believe how sweet trouble could be. What can I say? Couldn't give her up if I wanted to. She's got her ways to make all her wishes come true. She's gonna be the taste of me. I call her trouble. She knows exactly what she's doing to me. Oh, I'm in trouble. The moment I met her, oh, I could not believe how sweet trouble could be. How sweet trouble could be. How sweet trouble could be. She knows exactly what she's doing to me. Oh,